Hi friends, I'm Tyagraj. Once again, welcome to Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, we are going to see Tally reports in browser update in Tally Prime Release 2.0. Before getting into the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Now let's see enhanced Tally report in browser features in Tally Prime Release 2.0. First one, mobile responsive design. It will fit to any mobile device. Next, quick access to change date in daybook. Next, scale factor in selected report. Next, option for detailed view in Tally reports in browser Release 2.0. Next, file name of report downloaded from Tally report in browser. Now let's see Tally reports in browser visual experience in Tally Prime Release 2.0. In Tally Prime application, click on company, or you can use the shortcut key Alt K. In this list, click on F11 features. Enable browser access reports, make it yes, and accept the screen. Next, click on company. In this list, click on online access. In this screen, we can update contact details. Connect company on load, make it yes. Show desktop version of reports in browser in mobile device, make it yes. These are new features introduced in Tally Prime Release 2.0. Now once again click on company in the top menu bar and click on connect. In the list of companies, select that particular company and click on enter. Select that access ID to whom you want to give a rights, click on enter. Or you can able to add any new user account. Now in this screen we can able to see the message displays company connected successfully. Click on enter to proceed. Now here we can able to see connect symbol, and left hand side bottom of the corner we can able to see the status connected for online access. Now let us experience it. Tally reports in browser in mobile device. In browser Tally solution site once load, you need to click on login, enter user ID and password, tap on login. In this screen connected company will list. Here we need to select that particular company. Next, in the list of reports, if you select any reports, it will show you the detailed view of that particular report. We are going to open balance sheet. Balance sheet report, it is showing vertical format. Source of fund and application of fund. If you are rotating that mobile device, now we are seeing here T-shaped balance sheet. Now let's see ledger reports. In that list of report is there ledger vouchers, ledger outstanding, ledger payment performance, ledger stock movement analysis. It is easy to filter any reports in Prime Release 2.0. Simplified default filter option in this latest release. We are in trial balance. Here the right hand side there is a 3 dot is there. If you click on that, it will show you the list of option. Download Excel or PDF and scale factor. Once click on scale factor, it will show you 100, lakhs, million. We are going to select lakhs and click on apply. Now we can able to see report value in lakhs. Similarly, we can able to change the scale factor. Currently, I am going to make it default and click on apply. Let's see daybook report. How to change the date in daybook. In the daybook, if you click on date, here we can able to change the period of the report and click on apply. Or if you want to see that previous day or next day transaction, use that right arrow or left arrow key for navigation. Now we have selected particular period. We are going to click on sales transaction. We are getting into the particular voucher entry. This sales entry we are going to download it in PDF format. Here we can see downloaded file. Once double click on that, this invoice copy we are downloaded from Tally report in browser. This invoice copy you can share with your clients through WhatsApp or mail. If you want to use a Tally report in browser, kindly update your browser. If you want to log out browser access, tap on back button, click on list of reports. Left hand side bottom of the screen, click on logout. I hope we have shared some valuable information in this session. You may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.